If you're like most people, every holiday season you dread having to put up and take down your Christmas lights. The ladders, the balled up and knotted strings of lights, broken bulbs, extension cords, all equal one big headache. Why not have us do it for you? We're proud to be the premier local Christmas light installation service, and our team has years of experience hanging all types of lights. We can affordably hang lights on your home, roof, facade, in your yard's trees, and even on your Christmas tree. And we even come back to take them down when the season is over. So don't put yourself through more holiday stress. Call us now and have us hang your lights the right way.
Hi there. Thanks for visiting our website. If you have any questions about our products, please click the button here.
Visit our website or call us today.